The 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Such as cruise control, front and rear reading lights, power front seats, heated and ventilated seats, a power rear cargo door, blind spot sensor, rear wipers, and more. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 19 speakers, yielding a symphony-like audio experience. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Come on in and take a test drive.